welcome to my channel. I'm Jan and this is my mom, and today I'm going to share with you a recipe of very famous Russian salad, which we call in Russia winter salad or Olivier. And we usually have the salad on New Year Day, and so many of you are asking me to do a little bit of Russian food recipes. I don't really like cooking, but because you're asking, and I have some time to do that, so I decided to share it with you. So we do have the salad is very popular, and it is very easy to make. You can make it for New Year Eve for your friends and maybe family to surprise them with a very cool Russian salad. Okay, so for the salad we need 3 boiled eggs, 2 boiled potatoes, 1 boiled carrot and 1 fresh onion. So potatoes and carrot you boil in the skin and then you clean it. So this is for about 4 people. We're making not very big portion, but you can add a little bit more. Depends, if you like more potatoes you can add a little bit more potatoes, or if you like more eggs you can add extra egg or maybe extra carrot. And instead of onion, if you don't like it, you can add an apple. Okay, so we need some well, we call it in Russia kolbasa. This is boiled like a sausage, but so it's really hard for me to explain to you what it is in English, but this is like main ingredient. And if you don't have this type of sausage in your place, you can add bacon or chicken, so instead of this. But this is our original and simple recipe what we add. So then you would need a gherkin. Yes, the best would be gherkin in vinegar, but you can have a fresh one if you would like, but we really like it when it is in vinegar. And also you can add as many gherkins as you would like, maybe 1, 2 or 3, depends if you really like it, so you can add it a little bit more. So then you need the green peas a little bit to add it, and also mayonnaise. And mayonnaise, the best mayonnaise with the eggs, guys. So if you have without eggs, it's not going to be very tasty. So a good mayonnaise is very important in here. And also, of course, a little bit salt, and if you like, a little bit pepper to your taste. Okay, now we're going to cut all our ingredients on small pieces, which should look like cubes. Okay, we just mixed all our ingredients, and you need to mix it but very carefully, so they wouldn't stick to each other. If you mix it too much, too strong, they will start to glue to each other. So you just mix it a little bit. And now we are going to add a green piece, and like I'm saying, you can put as many as you want, up to the taste. And on this bowl actually we added 2 gherkins. Okay, so I cut 2 gherkins. Add it, and then you can add a little bit salt up to taste. We're not going to add salt because when I boiled potatoes and carrots, I had put salt a little bit in the saucepan. We have mixed all our ingredients, and now I'm going to add some mayonnaise. It's up to the taste. If you like it more mayonnaise, you can add more, or if you don't really like it much, you can put less than that. And now we need to mix it, but to be again very careful to not be very ruffled. Yes, if you don't like mayonnaise, you can add sour cream. So, and we are going to put it in the fridge to cool down, and it will be ready for the evening. And the good bit about this salad is that it can stay refrigerated for a few days, so maybe a couple days, 3 days, and it still will be really nice and tasty.